We welcome you to our exciting show, Shibobo Magazine. Platform is for my gents to introduce themselves. Njengoba uyazi ukuthi siphethe i-lineup ehlane yaBetway is about to start. Sikhuluma nge-transfer into enzima blind. Senzocela naye ngaku-right wami. Uzomthatha besiphathelene. Thank you, buddy.
Hola, Steven Mavocha, Shibobo Mac.
Nabo kanjani. Maqeda ngize naye ngaku-left wami. Wathi general, skip one.
Siyakho Shibobo Magazine yazi.
Kunelinye igama eniligaye uNtanga ne-content ubani? Oh, Mr. Tweet.
Mr. Sweet. Themba, hey. That's why bengisihlalelele last week, yabo?
So bafethu kuba nazi ukuthi Betway isendleleni ukuthi iqale nama-player having to go to new clubs, new homes, adjustments, zonke lezi zinto lezo. Kushubile kumnandi. Rile ngapha uyaphusha MasterChef asaboni
Arabic
but awusoboni lwethana unali game ebile nedlala yami ya rile zamba television nabantu ngibona ukuthi zamba television
Shapava
awunataba noba kartima awumsupport mfana wa being edit
Shaiva
I have a question enfuna ukumbuza yona in regards to the big three.
Big three.
Yeah, big three. Yeah, big three. Obviously. Ronaldo, lucky star.
Leon.
Obviously, it's like Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates. Uzangize ngibize ngamagama.
Big three abobani. Big three abobani.
Now it's big two.
Big three.
Okay, two.
No, me.
It's exactly two.
Big three abobani.
Okay. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubifa neSundowns manje for iKaizer Chiefs angazi ukuthi sikhamba letho ngibuza ukuthi yiphi leyo iminus ayikulethu le.
No, it's big two.
Or institution
when I'm open la mathima khogini mangithi big
I3.
I3 yeah. Okay, so stick with 3.
Big three. Please.
Lengicondisa Pirates screen.
Pirates.
Ayis.
Okay, Pirates.
Yabona uqale ngebig
Big
ukuzuza
big institution.
My question is big three. Shoda lawa balandela.
Okay, it's incredible. Njengoba ngithi Pirates.
Pirates 3.
Lento leskepe ngiyashintsha ngathi sinophaphanya sasingi Titanic. Okay, Pirates asibile.
Yeah, sure.
Orlando Pirates finally they broke through and won the league. Congratulations to them, yeah. But there's a question, can they do it again? Was last year the start of a dynasty or did everything simply fall in place at the right time?
Ngikulo.
Yeah.
Yonke into ayifole into place. Bebayideserve yabo. But some of the games bathengiwe. Mara nezinye mashaya envelope 7 goals mara afi. Makushaya envelope yabo.
Other teams.
Yeah.
Other teams.
You agree with whatever that they say.
Yeah, if sithengile side deserve sharp nandi. Mara abanye babashaya 7 goals batinga 11 goals. Konjubani le Celtic yancanya leshaya trick.
Sengada.
Sayini
Iwele ngada.
Fast.
Asazi ukuthi defend or wing amakemnandi.
Yona imnandi.
Yeah.
So yeah, but to be quite honest, it is a Pirates. They played very well, good season. Yeah. So bona. Abupulukwane City bathengisa ama game mara kunankinga mfethu. So
It's business.
bona. Yini swelewela ibhayiseni game iyona 7 goals.
Now by send me one.
Yeah, pay. And the mangathi yapeka. Mangathi yapeka, these people the last 5 games have consider 2 goals. Mara bazo consider 7 goals.
Out of the blue.
And the
5 first half.
ngifuna ukubonisa something mangithi envelope yabo.
5 first half.
Azingichithe. Besides 5. Have you ever seen it downs? Iloni player or thengisa player edlala against one. Apha mangam. Sharp. Sharp. She wasn't yes on it downs mara sharp.
Great.
Shabba.
So okay, njengoba sibona ukuthi okay, Orlando Pirates, the players ukuthi vele the way engine the Pirates are leaving, and some there's like talks going on. Don't you think ukuthi okay, and hence the question says, do you think they're still gonna do it again? Do you think ukuthi njengoba lama player lawo the engine of the Pirates, will they still defend Ishandis le cup, or maybe there will be some problems that they will have to face? But obviously it does happen with Professor problems. Are they going to be major or just minor problems?
A minor. Pirates will win the Champions League.
And the squad is enough.
Support your statement.
It's because of the way one INZ pre-season yakhe ngakhona from last season ushilo ukuthi njengoba bayengada belungisa the attack my side yabo and ubonile i-team be-attack ukudlula wonke ama-team PSL, so nokuthi kalungisa i-defense angithola. So because mawabheka i-Pirates vele makucala ama-league vele siyakhonsila man, siyakhonsila nje sisadliwe isikhukhuni.
Second game.
So uyabona maybe ufuna ukulungisa lawo ma-mistake lawo, so ama-touch up nami I'm telling you Champions League asibuya nayiphila.
And there's still another question lingering. You're saying bekalungisa i-attack last season. This season it's more defense, right? My question is, what if that time bekathola ama-player vele ukuthi vele like wasupporta i-system yakhe, but now kwenzakala ukuthi ama-players ongena Pirates they still have to learn, right? And gel in. So how does Pirates fix lento leyo when it comes to that regards?
Mawabheka i-Pirates play lihambile bela-attack aliwa. So belentswembu belenza impact belenza yonke into right, but that doesn't mean laba abasela man. No, because of now we've signed a lot and nalezi abazi
promoted
DDC you can see ukuthi abafethu bayapusha yani ile position leya number 10 vele we need a competition yana yabo, because masingaya ngotita yi-1
relax
and asifundele nje umuntu ozompusha umuntu. So I wouldn't say izokhawatha i-Pirates in that way because of ibuya yi-1 orile kuphela.
Yeah, angithi
influential
players gone, and they still
Kabelo Dlamini usasekhona.
Hence let's say a player to buy or to go fill up the game.
So
that's why
but it's not about gaps.
So those talks to replacement
It's not about
so
gaps
to say.
Well, players going out and bringing new players. Adapting to your style of play.
Nada ngingayitsho wakasheba ne ujogo bacho mbo uvele play lo uvele influential eloko ne khona wetsa plan whenever edlala le match influencer game nje yabo. So like akakwasheba ko di core esetseng ngana di senior players tse ka tse 3 tse le gono ke di lead di khona motivate ama-agents. You still have Makaula who might still believe ke leader akakhona go ba encourage ntona tse departmenteng ya hae. We shebe vaka di zone there, and we still got there Hood on the left hand side. Una di ntona tse nyane tse lo no Rapo le Bonda they are adapting well because of guidance among ya Hood. You understand? So like obviously most believe they are competing kada lebo Dion no company lungu the trick. So like ntwe kuchong like Pirates ya kana the way sign ile ngate I don't think ba batla like ba batla kwa la keperile specifically
they want to improve the team.
Ba improve a team going forward or right no rense so
this is
last season nearly high intensity after center line we've got that 3 nakadala ka 3 10s akakwasheba. This season is going to be a different thing.
Attack because of
no. Utodala more of compact. Like who manipulate a game says the position team. Why suffocate or like it's a mistake step so that one of capture as
mistake
because of the tactics side it will change. The upgrade instead of
because of one Kabelo Dlamini, no Tito. So it's not those players who can carry the ball.
The ball, yeah.
Yeah. But it's those players who can pull you in. Like
Baneplan.
Yeah, plan lokuthi mangalishaya inyazi ukuthi uzovela bani.
Yes.
So that's why it's not good to fill a gap. But ufuna improve it in terms of attack or defense.
So judging by Ilise yazi ukuthi likakancane.
Yeah.
Right? And sisibonile standards Pirates last season it was on high, like volume 5 next. Looking at how things are currently still you bolster right moving forward. It's like you making an advancement 1 level or 2 levels up. Do you think from Molly ceiling thing, you still gonna continue from there and propose at the ceiling, or it's gonna just be a stable position?
Yeah.
We're proposing. It's winning Champions League. That means support. No. The way I'm winning a corner.
I like your confidence, eh?
No, shit.
We want Champions League, my brother.
I just hope you don't get.
So, that thing you move your Tamelo wake up. Machita was saying Lona government data on Pirates.
Each and every place.
Yeah, I said obvious, but then now standard say last season, Pirates last season, they'll be able to develop one. But see the something along or I rebellion. So Lona Machita fit like obvious. Yeah, sure, sharp. But then it'll car motivation go to play in set at Mufito. I don't know to improve. I talk about to improve team.
So you think they said the standards okay, can say what I'll take it on because of that. But anyway, I'm just gonna ask the question. You think le set standards but the way standards is that thing?
Okay.
The way back to back into the ring. Obviously, shape or le batla go be jwang. Again.
Not winning to the major.
Yeah, major. What I'm saying, emphasis for winning, the winning mentality.
Yeah.
One thing
should be like this.
We fight until the end. That's the motto.
Because of Pegu Chavatsan, we all like a cool Spain.
Now, a center back, a left back.
Yeah.
So, I want a rotation system, the way it's cutting tactics side. There was a time whereby CM, like a 3 center backs, Nasasha right back. I push it riding, I think it's Bullibi. I push it Bullibi. So rotationary play. The adaptability system riding, what you could play. It was the rolling of the plan coming.
Okay.
As that.
So I can have a question.
The
ne batla o botsa ka riding ya o qeta hore bona I'm lost in my question or can you batla re okay I'll come back to it.
On to the next one.
Other two big teams.
Another big teams.
Other two big teams.
Here's the question. With the players that you've released, some of them I believe they didn't get enough game time to prove themselves. Like some of them they did.
Yeah.
They didn't get the chance or be part of the winning formula air travel and everything.
Yeah.
Do you think Paris did give them a fair chance for them to actually perform?
No, but that's a electronic and if I don't my favorite Kawad.
It's like that.
Kule preseason le umuntu wenze ispanisipate already bad.
Yeah.
Ukudlula zoyi2.
Ucabukushamarana. Very good.
So mina yisho ukuthi bangamga i-chance ebayiga uMbuthuma la season. Na ukuthi sibone sishuta hayi.
Awukumnandi, yeah.
But no, mina ngiyesisho anything but let's hope. Mara into engiyibonile ngePirates wonke ama-player wa-release ama-injury prone players. Ngaphandle kaButhilisi.
Point.
Maybe bafuna promoter a young goalkeeper
point.
Ezoba success.
Ne point.
Ukuthi ahlale no. Mara bheka wonke ama-player wa-release. Asibotsha sisani. Livitso bonke injury prone players. Alikho iplayer lehambile besides umbuleke. But alikho iplayer lehambile nje la via like
Sawa surprise.
Because shoot uyabona ukuthi project le akusi into yokudlala.
So favoritism, I'm proposing it to you guys. Favoritism wouldn't it be an external factor that would jeopardize something if it happens? Maybe it prolongs not only on him but other players.
It really, and they see really last season. That is why I'm saying some mistakes bewayenziwa ilama player bekawafika. There was a time besifeel ukuthi awaswadingi in the field of play.
So what if it happens? Yeah, continue.
Then uzosibulala mara Champions League soyiwina.
Mara nakhona I feel like ukuthi singamkhulumeli each and lento lebesikhuluma ngayo last week. Each and every coach unama player that he trusts. It's not about favoritism. It's a certain group of guys that I could say this is my specific level and I trust these guys. I'm sorry. You couldn't see Mutumba wenzani for the Pirates. But you could tell Mahopa Marangena there's something, you understand?
There's balance.
Yeah, there's balance and he knows first pull, when is the time for last pull, when is the time to hold the ball. But Mutumba will always want to run, to carry ball and But
So track.
in a way, it's fine. But to say good favoritism, it's not favoritism.
And then any interview.
That's why it's in jail.
That's what
It's not akadeliver content nesingayiboni. Maybe prefer ukuthi the way press ngakhona.
Ebona technical team.
Yeah, ebona technical team. Yeah.
Enye into the way ba approach ama game ngawo abu coach technical team angibasha analysis.
Yeah.
So like they sport ukuthi awuthemba right for the game le. Whereas thina siyibona kanjalo.
Yeah, I understand.
So
Technology.
But
so that simply means
siringe ngayo
Yeah.
So that simply means ukuthi if sonke si 100 sibona into e1
Yeah.
umuntu ukuthi in charge ayi1 angayiboni, that's a problem because if sonke sithi umbuthu maychwandla la
Yeah.
shooting into sibona enza we all know ukuthi dlalile ibhola ucoach bekazi ukuthi masingadlala nalesi yazi ukuthi high pressing mangabe ku strike uzoba pressure mangafaka uSteve nyazi ukuthi Steve clinical. At this moment I think Pirates is a team idinga ibalance, idinga umuntu clinical phambili.
It's enye into vie.
give you yayo.
Yeah.
I give you your role.
Okay, almost karke. Enye into vie. South Africa wafitsi.
Akana little striker.
Asinaso.
Asikho.
That's why man see
Africa score.
Upizi naboto sana.
Remember Pirates project. Improve South African football. Sting striker for the national
And
team.
I understand that South Africa is a striker. I also be a striker.
Reqineka ka tla compare.
Phela.
I also be a striker.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oscar is a striker because I believe there's players like young players.
That's what we
Yeah.
say.
But need guidance like guidance of you do need a striker coach.
That's why Radio Pan was on the bench.
I get back at once or Oscar Arena. There is something that's coming.
Yes.
We need to reinforce what department thing your quality.
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, you can.
Arasha lulile
Chief.
mahopa ukabe amang. Be honest.
Uringe international.
Ukaqedisa kama.
Namibia.
No, sikhuluma nge-PSL. We're talking about PSL.
Wase Namibia.
Yeah.
Asinazi.
We don't have.
Mina still
his work rate.
Thank you.
Because
That's why I'm saying to you, Mbuthuma, he's there because of contest ngayiboni.
Ebona
As team in the
technical
Pirates,
team,
guys. As team in the Chiefs, as team in the Towns, as team in the Skukulu. Even if ungabukela talk. But there's something that mina engayibona ku Steven no. Angeke bayibona. U Steven mfethu maybe angadlala from the right wing because of ukwazi ukcross. Angakhona ukumaka but yazi le umuntu lo ya.
Umuntu omngokro.
Yeah. Mara ngiyazi ukuthi yangithola. That's why I'm saying ukuthi noma hopa akusumuntu ukuthi siyamthemba.
Deadly striker.
Yeah, yangithola. Fana nobani, who's this guy Reyners?
Yeah.
That guy fana no Haaland doesn't work. That guy umela ukuthi bamphaza kore. He's not a deadly compared to Shalule. Shalule could carry a ball. Noma ngekho mnandi mara angangena nalo boxing akore. Yangithola. So into esishoyo ukuthi like
So when as a coach, would you rely on a player wazi ukuthi le iya press?
yeah.
Strike iya press.
But I know ukuthi there's a police Murem, someone who's deadly
And
with scoring.
you wouldn't rely a striker nowazi ukuthi lesi siyakora lesi.
Uba nokora icala.
Uyosula.
Uphi abo Santos na uzosayina njenge-Chiefs. Uba le Chiefs le ashaya cross yomzaca yakora. But hayi yezi 6 goals ngeke umzaca.
Wait right. Bawafake ku first team. Ayenza much better job than uMbuthuma. Bawa coach bawanechare. In 2 years, 3 years, ngaba ne strikers pro. And ukuthi siye that season siya ngo.
Into engishoyo. That's what I said ngo Pan. That's why he was on the bench. So they are still cooking. They are still cooking. Radio Pan. It's not the matter ukuthi sesimkhohliwe. Basampheka.
They are not cooking. Bamgaya chance.
Bazomgaya chance this season.
Mina for mina ntwana uRadio Pan is a good striker.
Yes.
He can carry a ball.
Yes.
Angagijima ngeball.
He can
strength. Ukhona ku draw i-defense, alethe deep. A create space for ama teammates wakhe. Ugood ngalile ngile elenye finishing yakhe umnandi. Yangithola.
Uzibale lezi zinto lozosho.
Yangithola. Ugood ngale une strength.
Yeah.
Carrying the ball.
Ukhona ukubamba ibhola.
Yeah.
Ukhona ukuphasa nalo vele iplayer lila
Yeah.
in terms of strength. And ukhona ukuceda.
Yeah.
Yangithola. Yeah. For me.
We are press.
Real uMbuthuma uGrand. Pinpoint. Leyo ngiyamazi ngayo. Into engicava ngayo ntwana. Real uGrand. But then Tell yakhe yokugijima so nje no uMbuthuma mina for mina uGrand ni area uGrand yeah into engicava ngayo.
So you rely a player enento eyi-1 right uyekile umuntu onezinto ezifana.
Mina ngizolila
remember
point lami ukuthi you rely umuntu onento eyi-1 eGrand eyenzayo than umuntu onezinto
Bobo une
uzwa ke I can still answer you.
At the time uRadio Pan beka injury prone.
Yeah.
Bekana ama injury angadlali hence bekangadlala ama game apha. So ama i-tracker bezikhona bokubani
Makgopa
Mbuthuma.
But still I could play Mbuthuma. You know why?
Why?
Area lumnandi.
Yeah.
So chances are ngalihlaba. And the chances are ngakufaka wena first 40 una yonke lezi zinto lezi 4 factors mara ungalihlabi first 45. Mara remember no alihlabi nge first 5 minutes yakhe.
Ngizofike point lami. Okay, simbonile uMbuthuma season. Uhlabe ngakhe ngekhaya.
Hayi angazi uhlabe ngakhe angimike.
Williams wamgeza mntwana. Wonke letho wamgeza pinpoint.
ukuthi mangagwala ngekhanda akekho
Strong
Real strong.
Doesn't change.
Yes.
Yeah.
It still counts. Okay,
I
I
want
was
to
this.
speak uNtswembu. That's why mina ngithi uSpeed uNtswembu nge-area. Uyawawina uyawaclear.
Unekhanda elikhulu.
That's why ngithi uNtswembu. Uma ngithi uMbuthuma uNtswembu nge-area that means uyawahlaba. Akawahlaba uMbuthuma.
Amfethu bamgeza mfethu nge-on target mfethu egame leSanta ngalibona lelo game lelo. But then that's a big that's one of the big team ama big teams bewadlala so like obviously ntwana yakho it's all about big things but then enye into kumele uyikhumbula nyana ngicela enye into kumele uyikhumbule ubheke i-game model ye-Pirates hence why i-Pirates ingena i-striker out and out strikers wayabavayise our little striker umuntu besimdinga uma uThixo is a goal player manje
yeah hayi
like leyakonga leya ngo left so like Pirates mina leyo ngibona ngakhona Pirates yakhona ukudlala and ayicala ukudlala ingena striker
yeah
into our Rivero nje El Padre wayenza dina ngangena striker wabalanda so meaning iPirates igcwele ngani ngama ball players abhayi
So I need strike.
assist
no isungukela akasibadi maka kadlala ka falls
mara ba rely ko strike
abagila ko strike
Yeah, I can understand.
But for how long I don't know ubavaka ka game mode
Yeah.
the way Pirates structure tika thing usayinwe di ball players sepha
yeah
and a team and lead ball players sepha meaning kucho team e batla udlala ball ay batla udlala bo root 1 bo striker samnika
no
lali wanchola ngamnika so like
Mangasa Sting strike.
sharp that's a point now le ukuthi versus Sting strike makayesa ngayi another big team
Question is Kaizer Chiefs.
oh
big team
ngikhuluma ngayo.
oh Oh, it's one of those big teams too. Oh, hi. Oh, best ring institution.
Okay, moving on. Kaiser Chiefs, ne? It says progress or more promises. Progress or more promises. Sharp. Every transfer window, we hear the same thing. Chiefs are rebuilding. But how many rebuilds does one club need?
I mean, I'm going to tell you. Ngisho nasizi
Nice lena ke ahlula we araba ke bona le ka strip le ka thing
akakha arabela yo
umkhulu weChiefs awuvutha hlezi bapheka
Kaizer Chiefs
asibheke inyama
ukikosa ayivuthi
Kaizer Chiefs awuthiyama mina ngizokutshela lo I wonder if you petty coach if I know him from last season or last season abe baya compete
this season
coach ofika la into bengikutshela ngalezi zithu bengazi ukuthi siyavaya mara ngikutshela ukuthi
nizingava
they wanted to play on the safe side uzuzwa ukuthi ngiyaqala they wanted to play on the safe side noma zingavaya mara zizohlala ku-PSL because of their teams abazobona ukuthi lezi zenza so integrate ukuthi azinama player into abayenza ku-Chiefs they played on the safe side ukuthi CV yabo ibe grand
to market themselves
mara iKaizer Chiefs awuthiyama athola umuntu ofana noRivero he's a player coach
he's a father
coach
and a father
ngithola uzocoacha wena coach Steve coach umhlaba wonke bese coach is team so in that way we are going to fix some mistake in that way we are going to fix some mistake uzokwenzela example ngiplay lo ubani le outlay eshayi CDF
ubani
Makawulo
siringa nge-big team bafethu
sorry
Ox akakhona pass mara ngiyangithola if bekathole a player coach izomthatha imenzise
improvement for passing
ama-session
upass ngiyangithola asuke la aye kwelinye player abona ama-mistake ngiyangithola player coach mara coach team.
Okay, I understand where you're going with this. Let's say for an example, Kaizer Chiefs, they got 20 level coach, right? And our coach, not saying which maybe they don't have the local manager relationship, other relationship, their coach and everything, but the execution there it might be the problem.
Kaizer Chiefs thola ama-trend level coach.
Let's precise that. Yabona mazothi ama-trend. Ibheka mazothi ama-trend. You just said right now with labantu laba they were playing it safe to do what?
To market themselves.
You understand? So, ubuchwanta babo bubasebenzele somehow. Because listen, wait.
Yeah.
Bubasebenzele because way too bathola imisebenzi and the same
separate,
yeah. You understand? So now the transferring we'll see.
With Baspana Ganja.
Oh, kula coach.
Yeah. So if let's say for example it happens, both coaches become successful. That simply means there was a sabotage somewhere, not only on the coach, but something that's happening behind.
That's like but no, that's only the coach. That's running she's
oh, because on their package, yeah, hambi. Don't you tell me because no nabi nayo yonke le thakala kanjani zethu.
Uye lo.
Fernando Cruz.
Hey, wahamba ngithi.
Oh, ukhileli nabi avaya.
No nabi wathola isipano wahamba.
Yebo.
Ungabu. Wabona accurate. Didn't end. We might be focusing on the field side of things.
Yeah.
And I want to get a good tselang komrao. But there's something ekhulu tselang.
Okay, rena kujwetsa ne. Lo ngifika ngakhona ngekhosi. Ikhosi lisayinela bucoach. Ungangisayinela uSteven ngingamfuni. Preferably ngifuna uPule. Yangithola.
Maybe might be one of those nakhona.
Yangithola. And another thing. U-Ox akusiflop. For me akusiflop. Shaya Spansak ukumarka. Spansak akusukuphasa. Mamela. Sonke sine roles on the ground here. As much as you say usipisa role yakhe ukwenzani?
Uclear amabhola.
Thank you. Sicedile.
Cha uyama.
Mara.
Yeah,
Okay,
guys.
Yeah, yena uyamaka
Ufisa
vele.
ukutshela amabhola but uyayazi
Uyamaka.
basic.
Yeah.
Basic
Into engifuna ukuthi yazi why Sibisi ucanga ukuthi akwazi ukuphasa. Makhawula uhlala kuphi? Eduze nabo Sibisi. Ubani la uthi le bekhabathekile space ihle Mdluli.
Unduli, yeah.
That guy was always close
Close
ne-back four.
defense,
That's
yeah.
into engiza kuyo ukuthi u-Ox unokuthola ibhola uFostela ukuthi kumele ashaye long ball because of akana support isikhathini esibhayi.
Basically i-gameplay
Chiefs.
yiyo esabathatha
Iyo sabotage.
But sikhuluma ngokuphasa, a simple pass.
That's why uzomthola shaya ama-back pass most of the time if uyambhekelela u-Ox.
ayamhlula amaphasi. Ayamhlula amaphasi.
Uzophasa bani? Uzophasa.
Asiqaleni la. Sikhulume ground roots level angithi
Yeah.
ground roots level.
Yeah.
Ukuze u-Ox bamthathe via lesipande senikhuluma ngaso ukuthi ukumaka.
Ukumaka sponsor.
But the basics bra needs to be there.
Yeah.
Sharp.
That's why he's
Why-
always
why-
doing back pass.
Why is it you stretch the ball knowing pretty well that you can't stretch the ball?
There's no
wait,
support.
I'm like, wait, relax. And he's doing it more often.
Yes, there's
Right?
no support.
Listen, I'm a player. You know where you need to improve,
Yes.
right? And you're playing with Bench and Cool.
That's what Sia said.
No,
With the
listen,
team.
yeah, that's what Mfunu is Suguti. It doesn't necessarily have to be the coach individually. Let's take it back to about, okay, I'll do it with my playing in Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo, after training and everything, will leave
Extra sessions.
Yeah.
You understand? So that simply means you wanna grow. You don't wanna be a player or club, you're focusing on one thing, mark a player. You need to sell yourself. Mind you, after Kaizer Chiefs, what happens? You need another team, right?
Yeah.
So how are you selling yourself?
Asazi but mina into engikutshela yona angeke ukwazi ukuthi ucoach lento lebesisho ukuthi asazi bathini. If mina no usiya ku coach wamathi ntanga ngifuna ungimakela uSteven van Dijk. Kuphela into ayishilo.
Bumper to
Mara
bumper.
ngizothatha ama-notes.
We play.
Yeah. Ngizothatha
It's a short.
That's why I pass. That's why Kinso or Udula shadi back pass because of I'm not
So
a
he's
pass.
playing it safe. Makasha
Back pass, yes.
Ayitshwanhla.
Into lengishoyo ukuthi even if
You don't know ukuthi utakhuluma naye.
even if into lengishoyo ukuthi usiya athi khona umuntu kuPirates unokukhuluma ukuthi mntwana yami ma attack space kumele ukhathi ungaye flanking. You understand?
Yeah.
That's why I'm coming. So u-Ox akanayo loyo muntu lo ukuthi uma uphethe ibhola
Akana
vula
support.
inyawo ubheke ukuthi kunobani ungathathi ibhola ulikhaba.
Because of the
understand?
change by midfield ye-Chiefs. Mangabheka
It's separate separate. Yeah.
apart instead of
Yes.
Okay, sharp. Now, okay. Lento lesibeka kubani? Okay, your coach. You know pretty well ukuthi Ox uyamaka,
Yeah.
you can pass.
That's
Right?
it.
Wait,
Yeah.
you can pass. And the structure say, let's say your game plan, whatever game plan.
Yeah.
Njengoba usho uThemba ibona kanje ukuthi u-Ox udinga umuntu ukuthi azokhona ukushaya interlinking naye.
Yeah.
Then mina ngithi okay, Ox he doesn't necessarily need umuntu Ox nje makasimakhela hlera amabhola. It's
Yeah.
fine. The best way to defend is
It's to keep the ball.
and to attack.
Yes.
But now if you get in the ball, you are taking your own goal post. What does that mean?
You try.
Trust.
Then as a coach,
no
what
support
do you
system
do?
bafethu
Konje-
labantu akala
konje-
support
konje ubani le
Pirates
athi le-
mayenza mfethu mayiphuma la from emove bayidlala from i-back four sikhona ukuyidlala build
Makhawula
up.
space ihle
And then
madala.
lento uMthemba iringayo ama-anchor wethu ahlezi aclose i-18 awuyamthola
Singibonisa ukuthi ipoint lami kule nto eyisho.
okay
Abantu abacollective ibhola kithi abakwazi ukuphasa or bayakwazi.
mfethu
Bayakwazi because of
Exactly.
bayenza
Into mina ngisho
i-passing.
ukuthi, yeah,
no vele outcry yiyo
Uyabona
ukuthi vele
ukuthi
untanga
ukhuluma-
akacabi
Yeah.
ukuphasa ama-forward pass awekho
akawashayi.
nama-sideways
Akawashayi.
you
akawaqabi
need a player coach.
Yes.
Player coach uzokusiza.
Into engishoyo.
Into bengikhuluma ngayo.
Eh.
They need a coach.
and a player
So
coach
asazi ukuthi Cruz ukuthi
Uza na-
Uzoza nobani.
maybe yena uzoshaya i-player coach team
Ubheke-
coach,
Okay,
uzobani.
asibhekeni lento le, asibhekeni kanje. I-team mayisayina ucoach kuzabo bani? Like i-coaches are iphethe in nani ngaphansi kwakhe.
Goalkeeper,
There's goalkeeper
assistant,
coach,
assistant,
and
analyst.
What if
i-player
Ubani.
coach
usebenzisa into wena ongayifuni?
But
Yes.
it's one lengo. Player
That's
coach
why bengithi kumele kube i-head coach ye-team.
Team.
Kube
To be
i-player
that
coach
person.
behavior. Abe
Abe
that
trainer.
guy.
abe attribute.
Yeah, abe
Yes.
that guy so that azoyenza le nto wena uyifuna uMakhawula bekangakwazi ukuphasa kamnandi
Yeah.
mara uyo-improve
Mara improving.
yeah
Uyabona lento engisho?
Yeah.
We improvile.
Mm.
Okay, we might give the credit to the player coach, right? but naye himself ubhekana nento ukuthi
Benza
I want to
sure.
improve.
Also
Yeah.
ukhalela ukuthi
Akacanga ukuphatha personally.
Mfethu, mfethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi
And enye into nje
siyapusha masongena lapha ya relax. But the thing is mfethu siyabukela though.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
siyabukela.
Yeah.
You have to take it upon yourself ukuthi okay. These niggas, some of them they might say angibheki social media but mina ngayibheka ngikutshela ukuthi endoda but wena mawuza lento le I click isamacinga ukuthi baba
amana decides wena nje
Awuziboni.
uzibona.
As long as
Taki.
you're
I
right.
think with
Taki.
they don't respect the page. There's only abantu respect the page ilaba abancane abakhuphukayo because even if they score you could see Shabalala, Ville and everything conjugate laba nje
They are
bafanele
hungry.
nje ukuthi yazi ayi namhlanje angeke sinyele ku social media bakuyela noma ukorile because you love Tweet FC that's what they say
Balaphi.
Offside.
Mayo.
umaye lapho wangikenya lapho
Mayo mfethu.
intentional
Ah, no, bekafuna
Bekafuna
ukugijimisa amagoli.
striker.
A strike.
He's a striker. You must go cool. See?
okay sharp
Yeah, next to the
no
Another big team.
here's the question
oh.
with whatever that's happening masibheka lento le ngithi kunalento yakamesi and Cristiano then kunalento le ukuthi they wanted to compare uRile noVilakazi
Yeah.
right so
Ayivale mfana.
listen ngiyivala ungakawuzi question ukuthi
Okay.
Okay.
so Vilakazi Mdu maybe ngafaka nabo Duba nani lento lenza ngaloko Kaizer Chiefs via ama senior player or these players that don't respect the bench is like what is it building for this young generation that's coming what is it what are they learning from whatever that's happening there
Sikutshela yabo. Attitude. Cala Chiefs ishawa ile. Kaizer Chiefs. Team yonke attitude though. If you're gonna play as an individual, ubheke uDuba, there was a time uDuba korile.
It was
No.
combined.
Yeah, I understand. There was someone who passed you, there was someone who built that ball. Supposed to celebrate with the team. Yeah, I understand.
Pirates.
Yeah, oh, it was Pirates.
Namtache.
Akakoranga uyophasile
Assisting.
Yeah.
then yena wayo celebrate one team
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Attitude into ezobashaya. Angithola. So, mazoba compare noReal. uReal mfethu bekaphethe nge-support system enzima.
no, you don't understand the question
No, angithi yeah, ngifuna ukuzara ukutshela ukuthi attitude yama-player we-Chiefs ikhabatha lentwana lezi. Angithola.
okay
Lezi ezincane. So, uReal bekanganalento lokuthi ngimnandi. Bekanalento lokuthi la i-team player. Lento le boyikhuluma ngoYamal ukuthi angeke abe individual brilliance because of la udlala ne-team uzoba i-team player.
Yeah.
Into uReal azobasha ngayo.
environment imspanile
Yeah, uReal angithola. That's why bengithi ival because of yabona ubheke who's this guy? Lentana le Dobsonville. Ushabalala. Man, ushabalala ngobani?
ukhuluma ngo
Le dlala ngo left to number 12 ku-Chiefs.
Ngibona.
Unqobo, yeah, unqobo.
Yeah.
Ubheke le ntwana
Umshini.
yeah.
Wakayi
Inkosi ngiphile Ngcobo.
kodwa Dobsonville
Ubheke
Ngana it's okay then
hayi.
Don't need kitchen so but it's okay
Man,
Okay.
dlala ngo Dobsonville.
Dlala Dobsonville.
okay
Enye into here. Ubheke le ntwana le amabayikhipha. Iba yafrowna like it's not like
Ayikho happy.
happy. Yeah, like awudlala nga-grand Joe. Let's try
It's
something
okay.
else. Yangithola.
uTito mabamkhipha ngeSundowns
Yeah,
abamentalwe ngithi no I understand ukuthi why coaching KP
you see what I'm telling you? Attitude.
so
Ngiyangithola.
ngikhuluma ngayattitude
no ngiyayithola
Yeah.
lento ayishoyo like it boils down to lento le ukuthi if an individual player feels a certain way that simply means there's no chemistry like that
Yes.
like you understand the things like that
Thank
So-
you.
Cala umambe ngesandla kuqala
Thank
ngikhumbula
you.
ngikhuluma ngechemistry
Hayi.
i-chemistry sikhulume ngayo yeah i-chemistry sikhulume ngayo ukuthi
Kaizer Chiefs
if there's no chemistry
Ayikho.
then there's nothing ezolunga because remember umzimba each and every body part plays a role
Yes.
you understand so if isandla sithi decide to collapse or shower a stroke then ukugeza ubuso is going to be a challenge. So that being said, I still say inkinga Kaizer Chiefs ayikho grounding.
It's beyond the sea.
It's behind the scenes.
And I mean I believe this is my opinion.
Setafuli.
I believe ukuthi we need about like fresh blood, vibrant,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Direct, kana.
vibrant with new ideas and everything, because I feel like the Kaiser Chiefs from where it was in terms of streets and okay, not street, like let me just generalize everything. Looking from where we're coming from to where we are, it's like Limpopo FC. I don't understand what's happening. Even the tracksuits are shining.
Ewe.
It's like, yo, it's bad, bruh.
No, but to ring
It's
about
bad,
it because
bruh.
of
It's bad.
all right nights I go on the
It's
field
bad,
because of
bruh.
if so in the example in the kids.
Mm.
I-kids bazoyibonisa management but
And you go
Babu.
then
decide.
uzovuma ukuthi asiyebi
Eish.
anibonisa isikantshisa kakwayi bese manizoyiletha
Brentwood mfana. Brentwood.
Awubonisa isikhatshisa kakwayi.
mina niyavuma bese izo-affecta vele the whole thing
Team,
Yeah.
yeah, ama-play. Motivation, ne.
Ungeje zakhe iza-Chiefs za-Nike ne ewuthi 20% wena ne eya 50th whatever anniversary le-black
Yeah, the black one.
the recent one. It's quite the difference. Like there's a huge gap. Like this kill control. Why can't I at least design the kit maybe? So there's something because this thing like no man.
why bayekile Nike
Inyo.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
kunezinto bezenzakala indaba ye-Nike.
No,
Nike,
it's
indaba
money.
yabona i-design le ngitshela ngayo. There was a rumor. As meeting konje
Allegedly.
So
Allegedly.
there's a rumor
everything we say here is
ukuthi
alleged
i-Kaizer Chiefs before bengakaskip lesa skip lesa se 50th whatever but izani besihambile yakhipha ijersey lephasile emacishe lafana lesa skip. So what happened was apparently I think Jessica saw that, confronted ngoba nale ngisho nani then they just decided to man it was bad. It was like bad.
okay but my question was why would you let's
Stolen it, yeah. That's
Nike.
like loyalty and trust.
no
Can't
my
wait
question
for
is why would you let Nike
Nike
go then
Keep cup.
for a big team like Chiefs
Ulande cup.
Ulande Cup.
Lotum.
No, abayilandanga ikapa.
Izele.
Kuze ama-brand ne because bona okay
Money-wise.
money-wise because they njengoba base bangafuni ukusayina ama-place wafunayo team. That's what they did. It was okay.
Oh, it's
if we sign
business.
it's business-wise, it was okay. If we sign with these people, maybe they're not even giving us more money, but there's a lot to benefit from this maybe contract. Let's say, well, in case of Chiefs, I'm definitely so. I approach on my cup of tea. There's so many.
That's what I'm saying.
You understand? And
Maybe
we might not know business side of things. Uguti,
Adidas.
come on, Puma it was best. Even Adidas is best. Okay, Adidas is the best right now currently. Then for Nike and Nike, but yeah, as I was saying, Uguti, they could have took Lento Lane. I understand it's business, but Jablisam abantu though. Because me, I will never. And I'm telling you now, I will never go buy a let's keep up. Now let's about to see, let's say, let's chepis and get.
So the stripes.
I never get spied off. Never. Let's zebra nearly better than everyone.
Zebra.
Okay, yeah. I go ahead.
Guys, in
I just hope.
Lico.
I
Ayo
Silicone.
guys.
I know.
I hate.
So what I'm trying to say is, I'm
And
using my
Lico.
fingers,
I
I'm
hate.
using my toes. Ukuthi kube nomehluko at least epitchini esasemuva sasifuni
Lico.
Likobite.
Son of a far.
okay siye kule team le bathi it's a small team
Yeah.
angithi mina I'm reading in between the lines
Phakamise o.
Also a great team.
Phakamise.
okay with Sundowns I don't like how the question actually has
Iri.
are they still the team that everyone fears? They were dominating that.
Nah.
Yes, Sundowns dominated South African football, but after losing the title, you have other clubs finally calling up. Just like Pirates for now. Kaizer Chiefs is a chance. Will Sundowns remain everyone? Yeah, Sundowns will remind everyone why they've been the standard for so long.
No,
You understand the question?
Yeah. Sundowns.
Here's another one. So
Oh.
here's another one. It says, have they become vulnerable or is it too early to write them off?
It's too early, Joe. I think Sundowns, Joe, they did this for a long time, so it's easier for them ukuthi bayenze ezinye izinto yabo, in terms of winning. Abekho bad, bawine Champions League. And bengibafavor that thing abadlala i-final because vele leziya ngesifuni lezi badlala. And cishe zibarobha yabo. So futhi and when it comes to league, dog, I think Pirates just raised the bar and so and Sundowns the past few seasons they were winning league ngabo March, April. Bangana competition ngebo ma 3 years 4 years so mawuthola competition uzotatazela pressure uzotatazela nganibona ukuthi no kuyanyiwa bayeza labantu la ngithola angeke badropile man mina mfana problem enginayo ngeSundowns coach ya
Sundowns like Sundowns mina I feel like it's in between PSL and Africa. I would say PSL and Africa because I feel like they're bringing more foreign players to take space for domestic players. And domestic players, if they're not playing, our national team is suffering. Not only on Sundowns, but other teams. If other teams are underperforming, then it's a problem.
The problem Sundowns, I don't have a problem. And Ongapega, all their best players now, Barriche 30, 31, 32.
To repair.
Yeah, by age.
So
Need to repair.
So now, here's the trick. That rebuilder with foreign players now.
That's why
Again.
Kirema Ring, I saw the
Yeah,
again.
now they are signing players. They
keep.
Yeah, and now, emfethu mina ngizokutshela le thing. Lama player abawasayinayo in any day bangawafaka wonke lawo ma-player lawo ngeke idle Pirates. Ngithola Sundowns imile because of their players who have been there and they know what to do and how to do it. Utibs, Abumdawu,
Umdiba, goalkeeper, Williams.
goalkeeper, and so
Reyners.
they've been there. They know what to do.
Kahle
balance.
kahle experience.
Yeah. Balance.
Ikhoyabo. Kuyona khoyo le. Ikhoyabo.
Keeper lawo ma-player lawo we-5 lawo ngabani.
No, like ngiyabona nokukhipha
Uzobona ukuthi hayi
lama player lawo phela sekusele kancane ukuthi
Ba age phela.
ba age.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola. And mangathola ukubheka when mangithathile ukhuzana iPirates ngithatha neSundowns and ngibheka ifuture. iPirates Sundowns. Mangibheka ifuture ihamba kahle.
Yeah.
You know why? Because aging the players and everything and they're not balancing according to the way they're supposed to move. I feel like everything about it's delayed, it's late, or maybe I don't know, they're ignoring it. Because now, if the core, the engine might pull, you still have to build, at least build that, then that's when you're keep inexperienced players. And in Kenya,
Kwenzakalani ngaloyo? Salim.
Oh, hayi.
ama-coach wase-South Africa baya ngaphandle ifana neSundowns i-gatekeeper i-talented like us ukuthi thina sibukela abantu abaphuma ngaphandle kwaZambia.
Okay, la ngileka Manqoba vele ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. So i-point lakhe kahle kahle yini?
I-point like
Because of naye uvayile self.
Yeah, ngithi naye uhambile. So what he says,
no ngifuna ukuzipoint la.
I think what he says it's ngizama ukuyenza example ngebafana ngaphandle. What he says is we need our own identity. You understand? We understand ukuthi you have to learn. There's like experienced coaches coming that side. We learn from them. Who by a head coach and an assistant and take whatever person. But now we need a chance for our own coaches to be trusted. In the sense of even if you lose like 10 games or 5 games, you do not have to be chased out. Because I feel like criteria South Africa favors more foreign coaches. Because I'm a coach in they lose players. I mean, they lose like games. Sussex and so one headline. With foreign coaches, there's like that. If another reserve 10, but I see no parents for the benefit of the doubt. Why can't they do that to South African coaches? Because remember, if I'm a coaches, with experience, even if they can go outside by bageleza for UEFA license and everything. Coming back to club back la. Standard sabona sa PSL. Maybe they reach, I'm not sure, I can't place it to Premier, but some of the top leagues. Yeah. In Africa or you can say Europe.
Yeah, no, top 5 Zidane.
Because now, I still believe with the even when we did, we need coaches like us because they understand what the coach. Me, never been Pegile. Okay, I believe for me, it can be Manguang Pizzo. Okay, a foreign coach, you read there. Those three. Those are my top.
How is the result of it?
Even maybe
Alex.
Yeah,
Kavin ayipona kaliko.
Helicopter football. Helicopter, okay.
Going back to Towns.
Yeah, going back to Towns.
The only team I respect Towns is TS Galaxy. Macheka. Mina ngile nale. Ungacheka TS Galaxy. Phela. Ayibasabi, lezazibasabi leziya. Into that's why ngifuna ukubonisa
Bakhathazile.
angeke niwine 7.
Ngiphethe ndlebe 2.
Okay, sharp. Ngeke to. Like ezinye izinto azenzi sense.
Then have to score more goals mfana.
You can't like lose. TS Galaxy, Pirates mehla TS Galaxy yathela.
Akusho
Sure.
Like
It's not like we play game or in. Sikhuluma like on a normal day. Ngiyangithola. On a normal day.
yeah, season inali high
Ngiyangithola.
expectations.
So into engikutshela yona, TS Galaxy nokuhlaba buphu lokwane sithi. Mara itsidlale neTowns.
Yaqinile.
Hayi.
Bushy school.
Beke.
Bushy school.
Abantebe City yenzani Pirates?
It's just a name.
Yeah, it's just a name. That one team, dog. That one
Yeah,
team.
that Huru team there so qualified.
You see?
The one level striker le coach man Ellen was striker in
Julia.
Yeah, Judas Msiamedi.
Escario.
Yeah.
Yo,
Alahlukumeza
about him
Chiefs.
Siame.
Le ultimate that Captain City.
But to break the home now young Kenny.
Ngiyangithola.
TS Galaxy sivula uNikovic umuntu wethu.
Ngiyangithola. So into engikutshela yona ukuthi like you can't be saying win a game le 7-4 ne or 7-3. I don't know.
7-3.
7-4. Hayi
10
7-4.
goals. 7-4.
Yeah. Then next week udlala neTX Galaxy
2.
zikubamba 2 fast. Mata kwenzakala ka next. Yabona lelo game lelo ne. Liconfirme yonke into ukuthi
Decide ukuthi liyavala.
yeah. Yilo
Yini.
igame ela decide liki ukuthi yafa. Angithola. Envelope lezi azangizayithatha.
Bese ngibonile ukuthi Pirates.
Azangizithatha envelope lezi.
Usabulekile ngibonile ukuthi Pirates.
Yeah, last season vele. Phakathi nebatla more than Sundowns.
More than Sundowns.
But then I still think ukuthi neSundowns nayo the way bedlala ngakhona last season mangabheka they were more focused ku CAF.
Good care. Yeah, to be quite honest. Yeah.
uGreenivar.
Yeah.
Because of labantu they are competing. Yeah. They knew ubona something right. Idea atla that's good things. And they know okay wona re akare. Because of if ever by losing the CAF. And it
Abo
was
yina afo.
I know to bantu ngomzansi.
Maybe the start of the season nabona sebe
One shot. Because of obviously but the game
Mara
pa.
nale out Koji Towns ya
I
chase.
come nandi there.
Ya chase.
You should do 10
Yeah, ya chase something. That's why. I just want to show you ezinye izinto. Konjubani le out there. Le out there le dlala le Alendo ngobani?
Ian Fisher.
Yeah.
Allen.
That guy
Marcelo.
Mtana Gambatha.
Sabaga kumbatha le.
Ubheke that guy even if he's not having a good game. Angeke azaphuma. Ile nto lebesiringa ngombuthu. Even if you're not gonna because of it's not favoritism because of uKoji yazi ukuthi khona into nayo ongayenza for it.
At a later stage.
Yeah, not now. But there's something that might happen real ngombuthu. Mara ngo Alende angashaya iphasi. Yeah, ngithola.
Because of mangabheka Allen the like last two games level bekalibela kora and then kuba
Performance wise
razor yard.
Yabo.
But then throughout the season.
It's another thing in the Argentina. Okana no goitswere. It step once ba fitla bo 70 something minutes ago.
Vegeta. Goku. Masupa Saiyan leziya.
Yazifana nani? Konje is a test rate, right? Lezi bezikubamba 90 minutes yazi ukuthi
Oh yeah.
Gijimisa more.
You see, in thing is sure, it's like sometimes it's we could say, upula akekho mnandi, why angaphumi?
But then siyazi ukuthi
But
wadlala la.
we know that there's something that's gonna
We call
happen.
him Toscano.
Fana no,
Yeah,
ubani?
no wakhona la uma.
Yeah.
Fala kagogo man, fala kagogo crazy man. Now.
Yeah. Ukuthi mabasa bamenzisela. Kule striker lezi eziyi-2. We understand. I mean, I feel like, okay, you're saying Pirates can play without strikers, right? But somehow I feel like lo sebamane bayamfaka nje ukuthi lo like ilokuzana stamina and everything throughout the season singadeplete.
Lo ban.
Sekiyacho maybe Mahope can be the two of them, you understand? Or Mahope at least khona ubale run grand over the injury fatigue link balance emara buthumba nalo mkenya skacho bana lo mkenya ubone lo moanye basikamkhipha
game o ka tla o e planets. I think re la ga bua ka dileng like the coach the homework and what not. O ka e planela along the way game ya change. O kile bona lo ka mogare, especially mo di playing. The player tsona velo obvious le ka tla ka plan e le go mkaile ke coach. Go dlala and then by the time le dlala it changes. Ya change ka di face like yanze ya change. And then lona ligcina selibona mangabheka ngiyabona le yadokhile whereby ama player they stood up ba ringa technical team. You could tell like Machens planning was to like a real lot sometimes.
Yeah.
C'est quoi c'est un real lot. This one like redlale this football er sa understanding. Er sa plan throughout coaching. So kumo bona ntengo ba plan coaching or like re tlo approach a game mara ba fitla game ba dlala route one like in the side re tlo joa like 2-0 like how because of the ka gaming. Yes, they scored 2 goals Sundowns ngale mfana lo ba million but it's a star. Ne ka khutla gaming. We know that like Paris ne ka khutla da. So ke yona le ding e lang fast rate Machens sorry. No, with ala why tlamile jwanong re dule mrao re invite batho. A style of play sa rona. Ha re dlaleng fetho re lateng batho. I think no Tito. Why should I didn't Rivero whereby a ringa da on screen half time baba veza da washo with man. Masinga dlali pos besla ni Chiefs. Masinga dlala besla nani? Stellenbosch yeah final. Masinga dlala labantu laba bashiya space esibha and then kuyenzakala lento second half. Nje umfuke ngazongena shaya alalisa uba nocaba. Wadlutshana. Wathanda zodlutshana mfana lo studio. Angalusha amavala ayi.
Wavula kuvalile.
I just hope everyone will enjoy this discussion as even today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. We'll bring more discussions, dissecting and pointing out facts and everything. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Jongas nisibona chile la 2D namhlanje Red Bull iphelile masiyabuya kusasa ngawari ngiphethe ngohlelo cream. Thank you.
Bafethu ya defend cup. Ama cup.
Ayingakho.
Ayi3. Sibanga 3 sponsor yini kanti?
Oh so.
Branded. Hayi. Sengifakile. Oh, what happened?